In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Here's how to import any Notion template quickly and easily. If you've ever found a template you love and wondered how to make it your own, this walkthrough will show you the exact clicks, what to expect on screen, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the Notion template link in your browser. You might find these links in Notion's template gallery, or shared by creators online. When the page loads, you'll see a preview of the template. Take a quick look to confirm it's what you want. Scroll through the sections, peek at any databases, and note the layout so you know what's being copied over. Next, click the duplicate button in the top right corner. This tells Notion to make a personal copy of the page and everything inside it. If you aren't signed in, Notion will ask you to log in or create an account before duplicating. That's normal, and ensures the template is saved to your space. Now choose your workspace or page to copy the template into. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll see a drop-down, or a list where you can select the correct one. You can also choose a specific destination page to keep things organized. For example, pick your main workspace if you want it to appear at the root, or choose a team space or folder if you like a tidy sidebar. Make sure you have permission to add pages in that location. Open your workspace, and you'll see the template appear as a brand new page. Depending on your setup, it may show up under Private in a team space or directly in your sidebar. Give it a moment if the template is large. Databases, views, icons, and covers all come along for the ride. Don't worry about overwriting anything. This is a copy, so your existing pages stay intact. Finally, edit the template to fit your own content. Rename the page to match your project, update the cover and icon if you like, and replace any placeholder text. If the template uses databases, customize properties, tweak filters and sorts, and adjust views like table, board, or calendar to align with your workflow. Remove sections you don't need and refine the ones you do. It's helpful to scan for any linked databases or date fields and update them so your dashboards and rollups display correctly. As you tailor the template, keep an eye on permissions if you're working with a team to ensure the right people have access. And that's how you import any Notion template. Fast, simple, and ready to use.